Hi everyone, this is Miss Segura and I'm going to show you how to sign into your SAISD single sign-on account. The first thing you're going to do is open up your internet browser, and I am using Google Chrome, which looks like this. However, I do know some computers are using Internet Explorer, and there's your icon for that, while others are using Firefox. Okay, back to Google Chrome. Go ahead and type in saisd.net, hit enter or return. Once on the district web page, go ahead and click on Parents and Students. Scroll down just a little bit to Resources and Parenting Tools. On the second link, Single Sign-On, go ahead and click that. And this is what your single sign-on class page will look like. I know some teachers call it Class Link. Just know that it is the same thing. If you hear single sign-on or Class Link, this is what we are talking about. So go ahead and enter your student's email address and password. Click Sign In. And once in, you will, and they are very familiar with this, once in, they will see all their apps and icons. If you have any questions, please go ahead and contact your teacher and they will be more than happy to help you. Thanks.